This is not a mailbag video. It's just a process that I did for ordering all the items, and the mistake I made at whatever time is in the corner here because there was excess uh, waste generated on this one. So I'm going to be doing all the rest of this from screenshots. I tend to buy my electronic components from DigiKey, Newark, AliExpress. I haven't tried Mauser yet, but this one's going to be on Newark since that's the last place I put an order in. And a lot of people will go right off the bat, well, AliExpress is cheaper. Well, that depends a lot because I'm going to show you this last order. I'm only going to have a few parts out of it because I'm going to be doing a mailbag for the other stuff eventually. So, transistors. Let's go to the Darlingtons. First thing I always do is go to in stock. If they don't have it in stock, I don't want it. And because I'm not going to wait that long. And I also tend to check by price, low to high. And right off the bat, you've got a Darlington transistor here, a PNP, and it's a penny. Now they don't have much in stock. So let's look at the next one. Okay, we're up to 2.1 cents. They've got 5,000 in stock. It's an NPN. It's a very low wattage, 225 milliwatt. I believe I actually ordered some of these and more of them like that. Well, we're up to a dime each. But one thing to do is always scroll down because sometimes they'll have cheaper ones further down, even though I'm sorting from low to high. I don't, oh, right there you go. Uh, 2.8 cents came after the 31-cent one. An NPN, Darlington. Not a lot of stock on that one. But here you can see these ones are actually lower price if you're ordering, say, 10 than ones above it. So let's pull up something else. So rule number one, always check further down on the list. Okay. Capacitors. Electrolytic. And let's have some leads are easier to solder onto. Okay, in stock. And of course, you can set lots of the parameters if you're looking for specific items. Or you can go over here and go click and see if there's something cheap that might be good. Ooh, 17 cents. That's expensive. And they have two in stock too. Oh, also watch out for if it comes in reels. Sometimes there's minimum orders. But here, 100 microfarad, 10 volt capacitor, 0.6 cents each. Now, I would never order one, obviously. You're going to order 100 or 200 or 300, and then you're never going to have to order them again. 45 microfarad, same idea. Of course, checking what voltage you might need. Okay, here's a interesting one. 4.7. I think that's actually supposed to be microfarad. 63 volt, 0.6 of a cent. And there's lots of them. Now you check against something like AliExpress, and it's going to be hard to beat some of these prices. Let's go up to something else. This is the one that I'll be ordering shortly. Again, you have to click on in stock. This is just going to be crazy. Okay, lots of expensive stuff. 2.5 cents for a ferrite core. It's 5.95 millimeters from side to side. That's 1.65, I believe, is this way. I think the inside here is around 3 millimeters for 2.5 cents. So if you're going to be making up a whole bunch of jewel thieves, hey, this product might actually work for you. And it is dirt cheap. And once again, as you scroll down, let's see if there's any. No, they're pretty good on this one. But you really do need to scroll through because they'll show up anywhere where there'll be a ridiculously low price. Now, let's see. Okay, let's look at JFETs. We'll just take normal JFETs because I did purchase some of them. Once again, in stock. Show results. Let's go from cheap upwards. Okay, 16.3 cents for JFET. Hopefully you can read the specs if you want. Okay, we're down to 9.6 cents. Surface mount almost always is cheaper. 17.7 cents. And the thing is also, as I said before, you know what you're getting here. Not that the AliExpress would ever have anything wrong, or Amazon, or eBay. Okay, 10.4 cents. Another one, SOT 23. Oops. Okay, that's cut tape. That's not too bad. Just want to make sure. Nope, none of those were reels. So let's look for some bipolar transistors. These things are usually dirt cheap on Ali and everywhere else. 0.7 of a cent for SOT 23 package. PNP. Let's see, for an NPN, ooh, we're up to 0.9 of a cent, and they've got lots of them. Of course, you're going to want to check your specs, but I want to check for some TO92s. Nope. Nope. Not even up to 3 cents yet. Oh, there's some of those minimum is 3,000. You're buying the whole reel. We're not up to 3 cents yet. Still no TO92s. More expensive. Gotta be getting close now. Woohoo! A TO92. So we have a 2N4403 PNP, 4.7 cents. Wow. And they've got lots of stock. For 5 cents, you can get an NPN, 45 volt, 800 milliamp, 625 milliwatt. So obviously, you've got to know your specs that you're interested in, but these are cheap. So like 100 of them is $5. Might be able to find it cheaper on AliExpress, but you won't know exactly what you're getting. Can't believe they actually counterfeit stuff like that or relabel or factory rejects. Though I have bought lots of stuff from AliExpress that does work fine, so shouldn't be too sarcastic. So lots there. This isn't a real order. I just needed to use my account to pull everything up. And here was my mistake when I did this last order. Ship only when all items are available. That should have been clicked, and that would have reduced the number of packages I received. Because let's face it, getting a package with just one or two components in it, and you're doing this as a hobby and nothing's urgent, it's a waste of their time, money, and also creating garbage.